Today you got LED. Alright, 360. Should be the control and power. I'll go over here, go straight, and yeah, to go under here, then I will take over here, and the other one. Yeah. Well, you'll see. I'm on the other side, the driver side. So yeah, the cable, and there's the control module. I put the cable over here, and it should be go through over here. Follow all this. Should be. Don't mind. Just dirty hand. Yeah, it's a lot of dirty over here. So let's see. So here's the pipe over here. Normally should be over here, but I prefer putting, should be more easier. So yep, the other side I'll show you night time. Alright, so we have the night time. That's how it look nice. Let me pause. Okay, this side. The other side.